Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you 5 different mods that add to your multiplayer experience. All the download links for these mods will be in the description below. If you don't know how to install the mods featured in this video, you can click the tutorial link in the description that will lead you to a video on how to install mods. For the first mod, we have Heartstone. The Heartstone is an item crafted with 4 amethyst shards and 1 heart of the sea. It comes in pairs and allows the player to seek out another player whom they've given the second stone. Right-clicking the stone sends a particle trail in the direction of the player. Getting closer to the target player will also make them glow pink, which helps you to easily spot them. However, this feature is only for the forged version of the mod. Now you can find friends without needing to use F3. The Heartstone works in 3 stages, which include 0 to 999 blocks, 8,000 to 9,999 blocks, and over 10,000 blocks. As the distance increases, the particles indicating the other player's direction will shrink and lower in pitch. Next, we have Snail Mail. Snail Mail is a simple mod that allows you to send item packages to your friends using snail boxes, stamps, and envelopes. To start, craft a snail box by surrounding a nautilus shell with iron ingots. This will be the base for sending and receiving mail. You will also need a stamp and an envelope. To craft the stamp, combine paper and an ink sac. To craft the envelope, combine paper and an iron nugget. Put the envelope in the snail box's open envelope slot, then press open envelope and write the name of the player you'd like to send the mail to. Put a stamp in the stamp slot and put the items you'd like to send in the other slots. Close the envelope screen and press send. Once you click send, pick the destination. Then a snail will be dispatched to deliver your package. Next, we have Xaero's Minimap. The Minimap can display the surrounding entities, including players, mobs, and items, as dots with a custom color or as icons. In addition to the default compass directions, you can place your own waypoints that are visible both on the minimap and in the game world. Waypoints help you find previously visited locations or reach specific coordinates with optional teleportation. The minimap can display the surrounding blocks above ground and below ground. For the purposes of following multiplayer server rules, there are 2 mod additions, Full and Fair Play being designed for fair PvP. Next, we have Adaptive Performance Tweaks. This is a forged server-side mod which automatically adjusts specific settings on the server to allow a more balanced TPS and FPS. The goal of this mod is to allow a smoother experience on a server with several mods. And lastly, we have the Neat mod. Neat is a mod that adds unit frames to the top of every entity. You can see information such as name, health, and armor. Health bars only show up if the mob is not obstructed. The health bar color changes depending on the mob's health percentage. It can go from green to yellow to red. This mod is fully client-side. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from our channel. If you have any further questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching!